Now let's talk about the tangent and parallel options with a reference plane. To demonstrate, I'm going to go up to the Reference Geometry button, which is on the Features tab of the Command Manager, and click on Plane. And as you can see in the Property Manager, I can select up to 3 references. I don't need to select all 3 references whenever I do a reference plane. The option is just available to me. Depending on the number of references I select and the type of reference, such as a line, a point, or a face, I'm going to have different options available for creating my reference plane. But to illustrate the tangent and parallel options, I'm going to select the surface of this cylinder as my first reference, and then also going to select the top horizontal face as my second reference. By default, the option selected for the cylinder is tangent, which is what we want. And for the second reference, it's perpendicular, which we don't want. So for under the second reference, instead of perpendicular, we can just click on parallel. And I can see that the plane has switched to the top of the cylinder. It's tangent to the cylinder, and it's parallel to my second reference. In the Property Manager, I can also see that my plane is fully defined, because there is no other satisfaction for this plane than the one right here. However, what if I wanted this plane on the bottom side instead of the top side? All I would have to do is unclick the cylinder and then click the cylinder again, but near the bottom this time. And that puts the plane on the bottom. And I can reverse and go up to the top, puts the plane on the top. These types of features allow me to confirm a reference plane and then sketch on that reference plane to create some complex geometry, such as a circle going into the cylinder. So I'll flip the direction and say up to next here to show this complex geometry.